Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Job Updates Bro. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I am going to share some really exciting and fresh job opportunities from top companies that are hiring right now. We have got 3 big updates for you today from Amazon, Deloitte and Genpact. So make sure to watch this video till the end because all 3 updates are really important and I don't want you to miss any of them. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel so that you never miss any job update. So let's get started. Our first update is from Amazon. Amazon is hiring for the role of Transportation Specialist 1, which is a fixed term contract position, commonly called FTC, and the locations for this role are Bangalore and Hyderabad. And this is a mandatory work from office model. So keep this in mind before you apply. Now let's talk about who can apply. Any undergraduate who is 18 years of age or above is eligible to apply for this role. Graduates and postgraduates are also eligible. So basically any degree holders can apply for this role. The experience required is 0 to 5 years in customer support or operational support. If you are a fresher with absolutely no experience, you are eligible. But Amazon specifically mentions that freshers with strong English communication skills, whether verbal, written or assisted communication methods. Regarding the salary, the expected salary can be around 3 to 4 LPA. The shift timings are rotational shifts, so candidates must be flexible with rotational shifts. Coming to the selection process, the candidate will receive the assessment link immediately after applying for this role. So please be prepared for attending the online assessment immediately after the application process is filled. This is really a solid opportunity to enter Amazon, one of the world's biggest companies. If you are a fresher or have few years of experience and want to build your career in logistics, supply chain and operation, it is literally a golden chance for you. Don't miss it. Moving on to our second update, and this is from Deloitte, one of the big 4 consulting and professional services firm in the world. Deloitte is hiring for the role of Services Support Associate 1 in the US Payroll Department, and the location is Hyderabad. The shift timings for this role is 2 p.m. to 11 p.m. So it is an afternoon to night shift which works very well for many candidates. Now let's talk about eligibility. The required qualification is bachelor's degree and a degree in finance is preferred. The experience required is 0 to 2 years in payroll operations, finance operations or shared service support. So both freshers and those up to 2 years of experience are eligible. There are also few specific requirements. You must have basic to advanced Microsoft Excel skills. Experience with SAP HR systems is required. And you must be able to type at a speed of 30 to 40 words per minute with a data entry capability of 4000 keystrokes per hour and with fewer error percentage of 5. Regarding salary, the expected salary is around 4 LPA and the exact salary will be confirmed during the selection process. So Deloitte is one of the most respected names in corporate world, and getting into Deloitte even at an entry level is a big achievement for your career. If you have a finance or commerce background and are looking for a stable job in Hyderabad with a great brand name on your resume, this opportunity is for you. Apply as soon as possible. Now our third and final update for today is from Genpact, a globally recognized AI and advanced technology solution company. Genpact is currently hiring interns. And this is really exciting opportunity. So listen carefully. The location for this role is Gurugram and the work model is hybrid, which means you will be working from both office and home. The work shift is flexible, any shift in India, which is a big plus. Now let's talk about who can apply. Candidates who are currently pursuing bachelor's or master's degree in commerce, economics, finance, business administration, business analytics, computer science, engineering and any related field are eligible to apply. Genpact is specifically looking for candidates with strong analytical and problem solving abilities, excellent communication skills and good proficiency in Microsoft Office, that is Word, Excel and PowerPoint. And one very important thing, Genpact has already mentioned specific certifications that are preferred for this role. These include Google Data Analytics certification from Coursera, Microsoft 365 certified fundamentals, Microsoft Certified Power BI, Data Analyst Associate, Microsoft Excel Certification, and Tableau Desktop Specialist Certification. Having any of these certifications will definitely give an edge over other candidates, so keep this in mind. The last date to apply for this Genpact internship is July 15, 2026. So you still have more than 30 days left to apply. But don't wait till the last minute. Apply as soon as possible. And another very important point, Genpact has also clearly mentioned that top performing interns have the potential to be considered for future full-time enrollment. So this internship can directly convert it into a full-time job opportunity if you perform well. This is a massive advantage for freshers and final year students. All the job application links for Amazon, Deloitte and Genpact are mentioned right there in the video description below this video. Just scroll down, click on the respective links and apply directly from the company's official portal. Apply as soon as possible because openings like this fill very quickly. Now before you close this video, I have one small request. If this video helped you or gave even one useful update today, please give this video a like. And if you haven't subscribed our channel, Job Updates Go, please hit the subscribe button right now and also press the bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload a new video. We bring you the latest job updates regularly so that you never miss a single opportunity. Share this with your friends and family who are looking for the jobs. Thank you so much for watching and we will see you in the next video with more fresh and exciting job opportunities.